the chicken. If you got a food processor,
Greetings and salutations, good people. My name is Otis James Bush Jr., and this is OJP Cooking. Today we're going to hook up some white bean chicken chili. You know, sit down, get into it. Maybe hook it up for yourself. It's cold outside. When it's cold outside, you're holding.
got a little zucchini for your hair top. You know what I mean? You know, it's as much about the texture as it is about taste, really. You know, just want something to break up, all of that, monotony within the chicken chili. You know, chop, chop, chop. Got them good chopping vibes, big knife vibes. You can go and chop all of these up. Got a little cilantro for you too. You know what I mean? Got cilantro chopped up. Chop, chop. Big knife vibes. And, just if you don't like cilantro, you can skip this. But just trust me, it comes out. It comes out nice. You know what I'm saying? Cube the chicken. Now you just want to cut this up into some nice, bite-sized chunks. Nothing super specific. I like mine a little bit more chunky. If you like your chicken more shredded, you can definitely marinate this, bake it, and shred it. I've done that before too. It was a shortcut, but I like it a little chunky.
Today we're going to be using some fresh cut red. Today we're going to be using some fresh crushed red peppers and jalapeno peppers. These were actually sent to me by a good friend of mine. Mom lives in the Philippines, so this is very near and dear to Otis James' heart. Send me a gangload of it, two boatloads of it. Give me a second. And we're going to hit it with a little olive oil, just to make sure everything's sticking there real nice and light, right? And we're going to hit it with 2 teaspoons of this here red pepper. Now mind you, we're making chili, so a little spice ain't gonna really taste. Let me go tell you about the measurement of salt, man. You know what I mean? You wanna get that like that. Then of course, you gotta get your hands in there. You know what I mean? Nice, coated evenly. One thing about cubing your chicken is it allows you to, get up in that surface area. You know what I mean? Apply that seasoning real nice, like, you know what I mean? Give it that nice red hue. You feel me? Like that, like so. All right, let's get it nice and hot now. Nice, bro. Got a slightly bigger pan, but we're gonna be all right. We gonna be all right. Smell them peppers. All right. Now, in order to get a good creamy consistency, you want to take like a can of your beans. You want to mash them joints up real good. Like I use a mashed potato masher. If you got a food processor handy, you can do that. But you know, like dirty and extra shit for no reason. I find that the mashed potato masher is much more easy to clean. Okay, it's food processor. As you can see, we got that nice and creamy real quick. Bang, 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 bang. Get that a good little mix around like so. This is gonna be our base. This is how the chili gonna be creamier than a mug. Mash that up like so. Bang it bang. Now to the crock pot, we want to add some good old Great Northern beans. I like to use butter beans and the Great Northern or Navy beans just to give it a little texture. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to use all one bean. I do the same thing with traditional chili. Might use a little chili bean, might use a little pinto. You know, switch it up a bit. I know right now this don't look appetizing at all, but come back in a few. As a cheat code, we busting out the old McCormick, you know, season. We gonna use that, but if you're ever not in a rush, like I am tonight, you could actually go and create, you know, your own, just by, you know, combining certain herbs and spices, you know what I'm saying? You want a little garlic, you know, pepper, of course. You need a little cumin, you know, oregano, red pepper, chili pepper, probably a little bit of sugar in that thing, chicken broth, you know what I mean? Like, it's not super hard to make, but, you know, I was in the store and they had, you know, these joints, so, I mean, why wouldn't you? You know what I'm saying? And then from there, you still want to season your stuff to taste, man. You know, don't rely strictly on, you know, the company getting it right for you. Taste it. See how you feel about it. We're just gonna mix all this shit. Touch more cilantro on that thing. And then from here, we're gonna let it simmer out. Let it get nice and thick and get to know each other, and then we'll come back for a real deal tasting. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Now, at some point in time, I doubled back in here and added some peppers and onions, red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers, and some good old onions, you know? Yeah, we getting it now. Yeah, I told y'all I was gonna look better in a minute. Told y'all. We here. We in there. We'll roll into the slow motion footage for your hip tops. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff, man. I'll be back at y'all with some more groovy videos. Be easy. Peace.